Amazing morning! Pag-usapan naman natin today kung ano ang famous business entry package ng IM Worldwide. Ito yung tinutukoy na gold package at nagkakahalaga ito ng 44,800. Ang makukuha mong produkto ay worth 45,000. It's up to you kung lahat ito ay barley or iba-iba. Ang maganda sa package na ito, you are entitled for 2 balik-puhunan. Ang una, kada 5 na magjo-join sa'yo, nakukuha ng silver package, you are entitled to receive 15,000 pesos. Ito ay unlimited at no time frame. Pangalawa, kada 4 na magjo-join sa'yo, nakukuha rin ng same package as yours, you are also entitled to receive 40,000 pesos ng paulit-ulit at walang time frame. Diba maganda? So, kung ikaw ay interesado at nais mong malaman anything about IM Partnership, just give me a call and I'll get back to you. Thank you and God bless you.